pergola wood fading and drying out? You gotta treat that wood right so it stays looking fresh and lasts longer. Okay, so first off, if your pergola's wood is getting all dry and faded, the best move is to grab some good penetrating oil or a sealant. These products soak deep into the wood, not just sitting on top, which helps keep it hydrated and protected from the sun. Before you slap any of that on, make sure the wood is clean and dry. Like, no dirt or mildew because that stuff blocks the oil from soaking in. Use a brush or roller and apply evenly. Don't rush it or you'll get streaks or patches where it doesn't soak properly. It's smart to do this every 1 to 2 years depending on how much sun your pergola gets so it doesn't dry out again. When you're picking your sealant or oil, look for something labeled UV protection because that's what stops the sun from bleaching your wood. Also, avoid water-based sealants if your pergola is in a super sunny area. Oil-based ones tend to last longer for outdoor wood. And hey, don't forget gloves and maybe a mask if you're sensitive, because some oils and sealants can have strong smells or chemicals. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pergola wood care is skipping the prep step. If you try to seal over dirty or damp wood, it won't soak in right and can peel off fast. Another common screw-up is using the wrong product, like a water-based sealant instead of an oil-based one in full sun, which just won't protect your wood enough and leads to faster fading and drying. Lastly, many folks forget to reapply every couple of years. Thinking one coat lasts forever just leaves your wood vulnerable to cracking and UV damage. The fix? Always clean and dry your wood first. Pick a sealant with UV protection made for outdoor wood and set a reminder to treat your pergola regularly before the damage gets worse. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle pergola maintenance and other home projects. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people looking for their skills, so everyone wins without the stress of endless searching.